today's video, we will be creating this kind of isometric 3D text design using Adobe Photoshop without using its 3D feature. Yes, you heard it right, we will be not using its 3D feature because it requires a graphics card. This design is fully customizable, you can change its color and you can also edit the text. You can download this project file from the link in the video description, it is absolutely for free. So subscribe to the channel, also ring the bell icon so you will get notified whenever I post a new video just like this one. Now let's jump to the video and get started. Okay, so here we are in Photoshop and the first thing that we need to do is to create new document. As always, the size is 1920 by 1080 and the resolution is 72 pixels per inch. Click on create. For the background, let's create a gradient adjustment layer. Select this black and white gradient and click here to edit it. Select the black point, click on the color box and let's make it a little brighter. Hit OK. Now select the white point, click on the color box and make it a little darker. Hit OK. Change its style to radial. Increase its scale to about 420. Check the reverse option and then hit OK. Now delete this layer because we don't need it. Next, create a solid color adjustment layer and pick any color that you like. I am going with this blue color, but you can choose any color that you like. Hit OK and change its blend mode to color. Also drop down its opacity because it is too saturated. Now the background is ready, so select both layers, group them together by pressing Ctrl G and rename it background. Next, grab your type tool, click anywhere on the canvas and type something. Confirm it and align it to the center. Convert this layer into a smart object so that we can work non-destructively. Let's call it text face. Right click on the layer and go to blending option. In the layer style menu, click on color overlay. Click on the color box and pick a white color. Hit OK. Now in order to extrude this subject and make it 3D, we will be using a free Photoshop action which you can download from the link in the video description. With the help of this action, you can quickly and easily extrude your subject and make it 3D. By the way, if you want to learn how to use this action properly, you can watch this video. Anyways, once you download it, unzip it and double click on the action. Photoshop will automatically install it. Now go to Windows and choose action. And there we have. Make sure this layer is active and then play the action that says play me first. It will do few things. And now it's time to choose an angle in which you want to extrude your subject. I want to extrude my subject in this direction, so I need to choose this action. Select it and play it few times. Once you're happy with the size of extrusion, stop it, scroll back to the top and collapse the group. Now right click on the layer and go to blending option. Click on color overlay. Increase its opacity to 100%. Click on this color box and pick a bright bluish color to match with the background. And then hit OK. Now select both layers, group them together by pressing Ctrl G and rename it 3D text. Now it's time to create the shadow. So open this group, select this layer, hold Alt button on your keyboard and drag it down to duplicate it. Let's call it shadow. Right click on it, go to blending option, click on color overlay and change its color to black. Hit OK. Press Ctrl T to open transform tool and squash it just like this. Now go to filter, blur and choose motion blur. Angle is 0 and the distance is 60 pixels. Hit OK. Again go to filter, blur, this time choose Gaussian blur. Blur it about 5 pixels to soften the edges. Also drop down its opacity to about 50%. Now to create the reflection, select this group, duplicate it by pressing Ctrl J. Let's rename it reflection. Put it beneath the shadow layer, press Ctrl T to open transform tool, right click on it and choose flip vertical and then move it down. Press enter to confirm it. Click on this icon to add a layer mask to the group. Select the gradient tool. Make sure it is a black and white gradient and then draw a line just like this to create a fade out effect. You can also drop down its opacity if you want to. Let's create a color balance adjustment layer on top of everything. Play with these sliders to pop up the colors. You can also change the text. Double click on this layer, it will open another document. Here you can edit the text. Close the document and save it, and Photoshop will update everything in this document. To change its color, create a hue and saturation adjustment layer on top of everything. And with the help of this slider, you can change its color. Let's make the extrusion a little bit darker. Open this group, right click on this layer and go to blending option. Click on color overlay. Click on this color box and make the color a little bit darker. And then hit OK. And there you have. You can also change its color if you want to. So there you have. By the way, if you want to learn how to create this design, you can watch this video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Hit the like button if you like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Also ring the bell icon so you will get notified whenever I post a new video just like this one. I'll be catching you in my next video. Till then, peace.